This is Dustin here with Built with Pride Construction. Just doing a walkthrough of our most recent reno. We repainted this field stone white. Used to have one of those brass inserts, painted it black. We're just finishing up. We've got to clean up that grout. We're just putting our tile in front. You gotta have, I believe it's the front 12 inches. If you have a wood burning fireplace, you gotta have it protected with the non-flammable surface. Original cabinets, owners didn't want to repaint them or anything like that, so they stand out like a sore thumb. That's why I always tell people, if you're gonna do renos, do them all and do them properly, because now you got all this nice new flooring, fresh paint, and an ugly kitchen. Anyway, we took this wall out, opened this right up, added these 4-inch LED pot lights up here. And down here, we've got our new bathroom. Not new, but fully renovated bathroom, white subway tile. 1 bedroom. Linen closet. This is our 2nd bedroom. Our 3rd. And this is a suited home. So we've got the stacking washer dryer here for the upstairs tenant. This is a sunroom. It's really nice. I bet you when it's warm though, it's probably sweltering hot in here. We got the fan for what that's worth. Hopefully that'll help. New light fixtures. The previous owners were smokers, so this whole ceiling was yellow and full of tar. It was nasty, so we had to repaint all that white. We repainted all this ceiling. And this is our common area. It's going down into the basement. We've got some coat hooks up here. Just trying to make the best use of space as we can. A bench. We went a little overkill for our rental as far as the stairs go. Normally we do the rise and the run of the stair and then we paint the stringer white, but in this instance it was full of glue, and for the time it would take to scrape that and sand it, we just said screw it, we'll just do the stringers. It turned out awesome, and we got the nice matching bullnose ends. So yeah, it looks deadly. Here, nothing too exciting. Mech room. Put a sub panel in. There's our main panel, our manifold. We opted to keep this atmospheric tank, but we had to line the chimney and then do it all in this called D-vents, double wall vent pipe. There's our 2 furnaces, high efficiency, more green stickers. Here's the 3rd bedroom. It's small, but big enough. Does the job. Down here is a closet / storage. Our egress window. Here's where it really opens up. So our living room, again, we repainted this field stone, painted it white, and quartz countertops. Color is Gray Galaxy. A 4x16 white subway tile, stainless steel appliances, again 4-inch LED pots, pretty standard stuff. It's pretty much our typical finishes. Flat stock baseboard and casing. Stacking washer dryer again for basement tenant. Bathroom. These other 2 bedrooms are pretty big. Good sized closet. This is probably the master, slightly bigger. Again, egress window. Closet, rod. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.